Hello everyone, this is Sumit Kumar. How are you guys? So let me try to do some question related to group theory. Many of the students have requested that please upload some question related to group theory. So that's what I am going to do that so that you will feel good in groups. It's always important in a group to ask whether a certain group will have what should I say, abelian subgroup and all. Maybe group is not abelian. Can you give the sufficient condition for which that group will have abelian subgroups? So these kind of questions are always important, and Silos and Cauchy has done lots of work on that to answer that question in positive way. In some sense, there are conditions on the group as well. So that's what I'm going to do that so that you guys will feel happy and all that. So here's the question. This question asked in, by the way, this question asked in NET June. Forget this is asked in NET June. Let's try to understand the concept involved in it related to group theory. Okay? So that it will help you in competitive exams. Here is the question. Question is, G is a group of order 125. What is the order of the group? 125, 125. And then which of the following are true? G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup. G center of G is a proper subgroup. Center of G has order 5. There is a subgroup of order 25. You know, always students, so group of order 125, the first option is G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup. Center of G is proper subgroup. Center of G has order 5. There is a subgroup of order 25. Always student used to confuse with this. G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup. Always they used to confuse the center of G is always proper subgroup. Always. So this is the options where they always feel on difficulty, and some of them has tick markers. So I am going to do it in such a way so that next time you will not repeat all those silly things, silly mistakes. So let's try to understand. So how one can think such kind of questions. So how to think here, right? That's important. So what is given? So let me recall some basic facts. So first let me recall some basic facts. So what are those basic facts? Okay, what are those basic facts? That if order of G is any p ka power n, then G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup. Always. If order of G is prime ka power n, then G will always have a non-trivial abelian subgroup. In particular, moreover, that will work if we consider H equal to center of G. That's always a subgroup of G, and order of the center is always greater than equal to P. So if you are looking for this group is called P group, right? If a group order is P ka power n, then that group is called P group, and G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup, then any P group will always have a non-trivial abelian subgroup. And how one can get that basic subgroup which is abelian? Look at the center. Center is always abelian because it commutes with all elements of the order G, hence it will commute among itself also. And order of the center is always non-trivial in a P group, and so order of G is at least, center order is at least P, hence this will do our job. This will always do our job if order of G is P ka power n. If order of G is not P ka power n, then we have to consider something. Okay, so this is that. So center of order of G is a proper subgroup. G has a non-trivial abelian subgroup is true because in our case G ka role, order of G ka role is played by 5 ka power q, and P ka power 5 is P ka role is played by 5. So this is a P group, 5 group. So this will have a non-trivial abelian subgroup. Second, the center of G is a proper subgroup. That's not always true. If I consider a abelian group of order 125, then second statement is false. So look at a group of order 125. So center of this So center of this is this, and which is not a proper subgroup. So this is false. This statement is false. Center of G has an order 5. False. Look, the same example. The same example will do the job. The center of a group is order 5. That's again false. So third option. So 2 and 3rd, take this as an options. Consider abelian group. So I took the cyclic group, right? The cyclic group will do the job. Okay. Let's come to the fourth option. Okay. What does the fourth option says? Fourth option says there exists a group of order 125. That's also not true. So look at the group. So so there is a subgroup of order 25. Yeah, that's true. So this is called silo subgroup. Okay, that's a always true statement. So if p ka power k divides order of G, then there exists a H subgroup of G such that order of H is equal to p ka power k. That's the theorem given by silos. So fourth option is always true, since 5 ka square divides 5 ka cube, so there exists a subgroup H of G such that order of H is equal to 5 ka square. So always this is always true, doesn't matter order of G is a P group or not. This result is true for any finite group. If P ka certain power is going to divide the order of G, then that group always contain a subgroup of order p ka power k. So in particular case, group ka order 125 is divisible by 25, so it must contain a subgroup of order 25. And in fact, this subgroup is going to be abelian. Okay, because any group of order p square is abelian. So this statement is true. So you can also get a non-trivial abelian subgroup of order 25 in this. So this is also possible. So that's the way to do this. So they have asked there exists a subgroup of order 125. If they ask there exists a abelian subgroup, if I add here abelian subgroup of order 125, is it true or wrong? Here student will feel difficulty. Yes, any group of order p square is abelian. So this is the fact. So you will get abelian subgroup. So that's even though then this question will become more interesting. Okay. So do like this. Try to understand the questions, and something is written here. Think about it. Why I'm saying is your education is important. It's really matters for our country and for yourself. So think about it. Okay, mathematics is just not to prepare something for 6 months and all. It's about to nurture your talent, nurturing your talent. So if you are interested in that, think about it. We'll meet and do some mathematics. Okay. Thank you for watching for my videos. Thank you for that.